salaries. The Honorable Minister here was speaking to a 6 million disbursement in the recent 2 weeks. That is an effort to try to mitigate against the continued escalation of arrears. I think we are still at a situation, Honorable Minister, Honorable Members, where we are still behind in terms of operations, the payment of rent and other obligations out there. That is still an area of concern to us, but we want to rest assure you that we are giving this utmost attention. We are behind, but I think we have managed to dispense of some of the arrears in a fashion that is making us able to pay current salaries on a current month basis, which is a good start in our view. So we are still committed to clearing. It's a joint effort between the ministry and RBZ. We share the responsibility. So it is out of the situation where we have inadequate foreign currency against all the other obligations that we have, but we are giving attention to this. Honorable members, you'll be aware that, as the minister has already explained, we don't discriminate against the new postings, the new ambassadors, etc., etc. We are trying to make sure that we are covering each and everyone who is out there. Indeed, we actually have situations where we still have some diplomats who are out there